Alright, so I have now replaced the Harbor Breeze Builder's Best, which is right here. Probably going to put that in my garage or something. Yeah, I got the Evergo Roma Emperor from 1986 up in here now. Show you the light. This fan absolutely fits this trailer magnificently because
I thought I did. People get my crap and they don't put it back. Would that help? Would that work?
It might. Thank you.
start off on low. Got the short down rod on it, which was not fun, to say the least. But I got it up without damaging the trailer, luckily. Got a fast low. I did tweak it a bit, so would be faster. I'll turn on medium.
Oh, that's great. Give those two more.
Yeah. I'll be installing another fan this afternoon. This one right here in the guest bedroom. No, yours is fine. Alright. Now, hi. Pretty much perfectly balanced. Blows a ton of air. So I did tweak the capacitor a bit to make it run faster. Because it was a little slow when I first got it. Yeah. Honestly, this is very childhood for me because in my grandma's house, there's always, well, in her old houses, there was this kind of fan in her living room, one of her old houses. I think another one too, and it's kind of nice to have one of them back in here again, especially with how it matches the paneling and stuff like that. So yeah, I think I'm going to cut the video off short here. That's about it. I thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed day.